In this video, we're going to demonstrate some zone type settings and some basic keypad functions. So you have a star key, pound key, left and right. For instance, also if you just press and hold the chime, that will turn it on. Hold it again, turn it off. Always hit the pound key to get back to system is ready to arm, or maybe it's not, but get back to the beginning. You can hit star 8, enter the installer code 5555 to get into programming. So at this point, to set zone types, you hit 001, and we'll see now that we have zone 1 selected. So I'm going to hit 001, and that is your entry delay. Now it just programmed it, so I hit 00 1 again. Now it moves over to zone 2. Zone 2 is set for instant, but we want to set it for a motion sensor, for instance. So we're going to go 005, and that sets it for a motion sensor, and it advances to zone 3. 003 is instant, so we're going to leave that. But to advance to the next zone, you go ahead and enter a zone type. So we're going to leave it 003, zone 4 003, zone 5, and so on. Okay, so now we're through all of our zones. We've set the zone type for the motion sensor and all of our instants and our zone 1 entry delay. And we're just going to pound out, and that will complete that part of programming. Now, one other thing I want to point out is if I go back into programming, if I was to hit 015, for instance, that takes us into a different part of programming. But this is where you can use, now let's see where it says number 1 there. Well, you can actually go through with the left or right arrow and go to a section of programming where you can actually set a yes or a no. And to set a yes or a no for that option, you would press the star key to toggle back and forth. And then when you're done, you pound out.